and we drop that in on top, and we're making it incredibly easy for developers to achieve these kind of user experiences.
So do we want to?
So let's
there's two of them here.
Let's show it up.
No,
you're good. You're good.
Okay.
All right. So what you're looking at here, this is like a picture viewer application.
Let's see if we can get some get the camera right.
Get in there. So you can see here that I'm touching, scrolling, moving across. Right. Nice fluid movement transition. So now you got something a little more mind blowing. You've got the actual photos dropping in with 3D effects, drop shadows, nice motion, different views, different camera angles, and then you've got nice animations with tags flying in. So this is all being built on Cascades. And what's amazing about this, aside from the great visual design, is that the Cascades framework makes it incredibly easy for you as developers to achieve these kind of effects with very little code. So this is actually just a standard list in Cascades. The 3D effects, the animations, the shaders, the physics, this is all baked into the framework. So as a developer, you are just, setting properties and configuring the way you want your UI to behave.
So a lot of this work that the Astonishing Tribe has done with Cascades is they've also built the actual framework, the pieces.
Absolutely.
Right? But our developers don't have to stop there.
No, absolutely.
They can get deep with this.
If you want to go
astonishing thing.
If you want to go off the grid and go free form, if you do have that background in graphics and physics, and you want to really, pump the most out of this framework, it's incredible what you can do.
This is fully hardware accelerator built right into, deep into the BBX platform.
Absolutely, built right on top of those open standards that you were talking about, and taking full advantage of all the hardware and all the power of the Unix operating.
And that really rounds out our native platform, doesn't it?
Absolutely. This gives developers, everything from low-level native C APIs, and you can build a game engine on, all the way up to the high level, where you can do basic business apps with controls and containers, and buttons and text boxes,
and delight the user at the same time.
Absolutely.
You don't have to look like a PC app.
No. I mean, I don't think this looks anything like a PC app. I mean, you guys tell me.
So what did you want to show us?
Yeah, so these are really exciting times for us at the Astonishing Tribe. We finally get to put our beloved framework Cascades in the hands of developers. We've been waiting a long time for this. So I want to show you one more example of what you can do. I think one of the really nice things with Cascades, what makes it really unique is the level of the APIs. You both have the built-in components where you can very easily build fantastic UI. At the same time, you can customize it. Like in this case, we have actually built an application that visualizes your inbox.
So again, that BlackBerry two thumbs approach.
Right. So using your thumb,
you're multi-touching, you're stretching the data, you're looking at it, you're compressing the data.
Right. So this is my inbox, and I can just very quickly zoom into it and look into specific conversations. And all of this is made available through Cascades. This thumb gesture is built in. We have a pretty high-level mesh API, making it possible to do these really customized UI components. So here I have one email. It's really, and all these transitions when moving between different zoom levels, they're all built in Cascades.
And these UI components have been designed by TAT and imported into the basic BBX framework, so all our developers can take advantage of it.
Right. We really want to see what the development community can do with our tools. So we tried to build in as much prepackaged design, prepackaged visual concepts. So this will be, we're just waiting to get this out there and see what can be done.
That's great.
Yeah, this is about the future of mobile computing, and the UIs are going to change. This is what TAT has been pioneering for years, with this vision of 3D actually being used, not just frivolously, but for absolute value in the application, doing something like this.
It seems to be completely integrated into all the aspects of the database, all the lists, all the data, and it's real time, and it's all stitched together, and it feels like they're interacting physically with the information.
Absolutely. Yeah. Nobody else has this level of capability baked into a framework that developers have access to like this. Nobody else has.
This is over 300,000 emails visualizing this very simple and beautiful way.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to get into this in much more detail later on in the show.